Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with a new chapter that is arithmetic progression. This is the chapter might be some little part you have done in the smaller means lower classes means 4 or 5 just giving the sequence number. Here see what is given 5, 10, 15, and 20 have taken one number and given dash, dash and dash. These things by seeing this one you can write down that there is a difference of 5, this is difference 5, this is 5, 5. Then what will be 25? This will be 30, this will be 35. Then from here, these are written for A1, A2, A3, A4. These are the terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. These are is infinite, counting, uncountable. Now here they're told to find out, suppose to find out the A5 means fifth term, sixth term, and seventh term. Now there is a format. Means the format is what the formula first we have to see. A is written was first term, D is written as common difference. A what I do, A is what see in this AP, A is 5, D is what second term minus first term, second term is 10 and minus first term is 5, that is coming 5 only. Now here is the formula I've written, see this part I've written the formula, see this part particularly you just take it properly, you can easily see that these are formula part only. A1 is 5, now A2 I've written A1 plus D, the above this one this will be A1 plus D, this is 5 plus 5 is coming 10. Second, if to find out A3, then just to add up with A2, A2 plus D, that is coming 10 plus 5 is, these are constant. This is the part where these are what I have done is already the same thing always. Now I have not done A4, now it become A5. A5 is what A4 plus D it will be. Then A4 is what coming, see A4 is coming 20. Then 20 plus 5 is coming 25. Now A6 it will be what A5, A5 plus D. Then A5 is coming what 25. A5 is coming what 25, 25 plus 5 is 30. Now A7 what will be A6 plus D. Now if it is asked A8, if it is asked A8, then what will be A7 plus D. Always here if it is 6, it will be one number will be less. One number is there and one number will be less over here. Now we have got what is the value came 15, 25, 30 and 30. These are the numbers already I've told by seeing the sequence. Now this is a starting part I make you understand. But when you go for the exercise questions, some more tough questions will be there. They need to understand how to find it out with these formulas. Now, in the second exercise, we'll get one formula. That is what n term of an AP with first term A and common difference is D given. Now, what is the n term? N term means what? What is the last term, or you can say the nth term, nth, an. An is what? See, A in bracket n minus 1 D. I've done. Clear? This is the formula. A is what first term, n is what number of terms, minus 1 and D will be the common difference what you have done. I'll be showing some questions from the exercises also, don't worry about this. Now here same formula, see same formula written, but here L is last term and A is also last term, it is called last term means what is the last term given. Okay, next what is coming, see difference of any two terms of an AP. Then if it is given A plus G, A plus 2D are in AP, then difference between two terms will be AN minus AM, that is N minus M into D. Okay, now you can see one question from question exercise 9.1c 1a. What is given? 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 3. Now they have told to find out which is the first term and what is the common difference. Now I have done the solution. C 3 comma 1 comma minus 1 minus 3. The solution A will be what? First term will be 3. This is the first term, and difference is what? Second term minus first term. Second term is what? 1 and first term is 3. That is coming minus 2. Okay. Now again in question number 2, they were told to find out, write first four terms of AP when the term A and common difference are given. A is given 10 and D is also given 10. The same thing what I've written, see A is given 10, D is given 10, and A1 is given what will be 10. A2 will be what? A1 plus D, that 10 plus 10 will be 20. A3 is what? A2 plus D, that is 20 plus 10. 10 is what? D. Same thing, just the formula we have done last in the first page only. If you forgot to see, you can see one more time, or you can repeat the video 2 3 times. A4 also done the same thing. See, A3 plus D, that will be 30 plus 10, that will be 40. That is 10, 20, 30, 40 are in AP. Now, if you want to find out the AP of the first four term, suppose I'm just doing with the formula A4 AN equals to A plus N minus 1. Now they told to find out the fourth term, first fourth term. First fourth term you can easily find out by first term is given 10, that will be 4 minus 1, that is into 10. And A4 is coming what? 10 plus 3 into 10, that is A4 is also coming what? 40. Now see, here A4 is coming 40. Now here also see A4 is coming 40. If you want to find out A3 also, you can use this formula A3. Then in place of 4, you write down A3, put the value, and here you write down 3 minus 1, that will be into 10. Okay, I'm just showing the comparison. Don't mess up with this part. Okay, just I'm showing the comparison how to find out this formula. Now, one more question I've taken example from the second exercise. Total find is 10th term of the AP 2, 5, 7, 12 dot 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 dot. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3. Now to find out what A10, you have to find out A10. Now from here A10 we don't know, A10 we don't know. We know A value is 2, D value we can find it out 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now from here A is what? AN is given what? See, N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now A10 is coming what? Equals to, what is the value of A? Is coming 2. See here 2 written. Now n is what? See 10. What is, which term we are finding out? 10 term. 10 minus 1, and D is already came 5. Now I put the value. See the value is coming what? 47. At the last write down 10th term of an AP is 47. I hope you have understood this, all these questions. Okay, all these questions you have understood. This part also, I'll be giving some sum from both the exercises. Try to solve it out in the class of talk. Okay, till then, have a nice